Chiang Mai, baby. Get out and get about. Gotta see what's around. It's Thailand, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough. It's Thailand, baby. I'm so ready to see. Wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the country. So give me more to see. So give me more to see. I need more. Chiang Mai, babe.
Okay, so we are in Chiang Mai, and we're just going to try to capture a little bit of this inside the city walls. So we got all kinds of interesting stuff, both sides, and we'll just kind of go a little bit around it before it's too dark to see. Okay, Chiang Mai up on the map. This is inside the walls. So let's just get right there and show it as if you're there yourself. And this is actually the last Chiang Mai one that I'm going to be uploading. I've had a series, so you can always go to the thumbnails at the back, and then you can see some of the previous ones. And I think there's probably a set of about 10. It's all different parts of Chiang Mai. But this is the last one. Enjoy, as if you're there yourself. Chiang Mai. Okay, let's just check all this out. Got mango and fruit, papaya, guava. See what else they got here. So this is the old inside the walls. There's some old cameras right there. Fruit, 20 baht. Juice bar, nail and cafe. And we got stuff on both sides, so there's a music bar over there. And you also have these little alleys like here. Let's see what's down this way. And I have it all labeled, so there'll be a kindergarten even? Okay, hotels. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you kind of got random stuff throughout here. I think the other side might be more interesting. Crazy vintage. Actually, both are fine. Let's just run across if we can. We'll just go across and see if it's more interesting or not. Let me just kind of see. Little phone, one of these things. This is actually a bar. It's like wine. Barber shop. Northern style. There's a music bar right here too. Let's see. So you got some bands here, May 16. Wingman. Okay, let's keep on going down. We're gonna see what else is around. So there's definitely some stuff around. Dong City. It's like a Vietnamese one. Okay, it's like northern Thailand. Also looks good. Okay, Musashi. You have beers as cold as your ex's heart. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a taste. It's a vintage shop. And you have stuff in these little alleys as well. And some nice murals. Okay, let's see what else is around here. So we just chose a random street. We're kind of in the middle of the old town. If I see a street sign, I'll film it so you can. I see one over there, but See if I can see one over here as well. Here's Cafe Amazon. We're gonna come up to a park. Some nice smelling trees, flowers in these trees. Very nice. Okay. So we definitely have more stuff coming up. And so this is surrounded by walls. So I don't know, there's a moat around it, so I guess it goes back quite a ways, and then everything that's inside is pretty well established, so you can't really build anything new. So you have lots of old architecture, house of photography, that's what this one says. Then we got some more businesses, so we're kind of interspersed with all kinds of different stuff. Some of the street lights, those are kind of cool. Let's focus on those a little bit. Okay, so we're going to keep on going down. And we're going to go all the way across, and we're going to try to angle a little bit towards, we'll just keep on the same street. Hello. Yeah.
I'm visiting here.
Yeah.
I lost my wallet. Can I get money to eat?
Oh.
No problem.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if she looks like she doesn't look like she lost her wallet, but it's like she's trying to get money. Anyways, I have a video camera, so yeah, the way she came up kind of just sounds like she's a little bit questionable. Okay, anyways. She lost the wallet. Is that a transvestite? I guess. I don't know. Anyways, because wouldn't you have a purse, right? The voice sounded like a guy. Okay, let's see. Tattoo shops. I'll just keep on exploring down. Anyways, you're kind of getting an idea. So it's kind of dispersed with kind of random things. I kind of feel like I'm going to run into nothing particularly interesting. So I guess what I'll do is we'll just come back and walk around a little bit randomly. And we'll go to the right where it looks a little bit more interesting. I didn't actually choose the best place. Oh, that girl's still wandering around in that corner. I think she's going to ask all the different foreigners. So here comes a woman. She's asking her. You can see her over there in the purple. So I don't know if she's going to ask. I think she's just saying no. She's giving her story. Okay. So yeah, like she didn't give money either. I think the story doesn't really add up. Just kind of run up to strangers. She looked like she was waiting for me to come up as well. Anyways, I don't know how interesting this is. So got skaters over there. Anyways, this is a little bit of a taste of Chiang Mai, just kind of random Chiang Mai. Coffee house right there. And I guess we'll just end it. Not super interesting, but you got a taste of just some random inside the Chiang Mai.
In a stroll, seeing what's about.